Good evening, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jesse Hawila. Here are a couple of stats to talk about for the fall so far. It's been very warm and dry. This is the longest on record we've gone with zero lows in the 50s. The previous record was back in 2007. We went through October 16th, and here we are now on the 17th and still no 50s. That may change Sunday morning. Today was the 37th consecutive day with above normal temperatures, so obviously we've been on a dry streak. We've been on a warm streak too. And today is the 23rd consecutive day with no measurable rain at DFW. Tomorrow likely will break that. It's a WFAA weather impact alert day tomorrow between noon and 4. That's our best chance to see rain and thunderstorms. Gusty winds would be possible in the strongest storms, small hail, brief heavy downpours, lightning. Stay updated, have a way to receive warnings, and download the WFAA Plus app to your TV. It was very warm today, 89 degrees the high, the normal 78. So another day where we were 11 degrees warmer than normal. Low this morning was 69. The normal is 57. So again, it is kind of odd that we've not been into the 50s yet. The coldest we've been, I know coldest is not the right word, but the coolest we've been is 63. And that was just a couple of days ago. We've done that a couple of times, but no 50s. 95 is the record high. 41 is the record low. It's 82 now out at DFW with south winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Pollen count, ragweed, that's high. Juniper is high. Elm is moderate and fungus is low today. So we take a look at satellite and radar. We are dry. We are staying dry all night. Clouds will just increase by tomorrow morning. There's the increase in cloud cover. Here comes the scattered shower and storm chance by noon. This is likely not severe at noon. But as we get to like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, some of these thunderstorms, especially in this area here, some of those could be strong to severe with some damaging wind gusts or quarter-size hail. The severe threat overall is pretty low, but mainly northeast of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Those are the thunderstorms I will be keeping an eye on throughout the day tomorrow. What comes in behind that is likely just some rain. Now by 4, this is certainly the higher chance of something severe in Clarksville down through Mineola. Canton at 4 o'clock, you're likely wrapping up your chance of rain at that point anyway. That's it. The window of opportunity for thunderstorms tomorrow or anything strong is about 4 hours from 12 to 4, and then it's all out of North Texas. The cold front moves in through the Dallas-Fort Worth area around 7 p.m. Behind it, cooler air temporarily. It warms up pretty quickly by Monday. There's a level 1 marginal risk in place for the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Now, Collin County, you're under a 2. That's a slight risk. Okay, so you have marginal, meaning like, basically marginal just means maybe a storm can pulse up and produce a little bit of hail or some gusty winds. It's a big maybe. 2, a little bit of a better chance of that happening. McKinney, Terrell, Greenville, Sulphur Springs. The overall risk is low. And for us, the severe threat would be up to quarter-size hail and up to 60-mile-per-hour winds. That's here in North Texas and East Texas as well. Not a lot of rain. This will be fast moving. I showed you how it's kind of in and out fairly quickly. So by Saturday afternoon, where most areas would pick up 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch. Lower totals out west, higher totals to the northeast, where there could be 1/2 an inch or more. It's not going to be enough to really do much to our current drought situation. We have drier than normal conditions across North Texas. We have moderate drought settling in to portions of Johnson County, Somervell County, Hood County. You're included in that. So you can see things are getting pretty dry across a portion of the state. We're getting patches of moderate drought and still clinging on to even some severe drought and extreme drought for parts of the hill country, parts of South Texas and parts of West Texas too. So we could use some rain. We'll get some Saturday. It's not going to be a drought buster, but it's something. 71 degrees tonight, breezy at times, 83 tomorrow. Not as warm. Southwest winds 15 to 25. 14-day forecast, 77 Sunday, 88 degrees Monday. We are back to a chance of rain Thursday and Friday. We are staying above normal. We cannot catch a long break of cool temperatures. Sunday morning, we have a low forecast in the upper 50s. That could break that stretch of no 50s. In the afternoon, looks pretty good. Beyond that, lots of 80s, which again, above normal for this time of the year. Looking all the way to Halloween at the end of the 14-day forecast. Yes, there will be warmer than normal temperatures clinging on. You can see that. By the time we get to Halloween, our normal high at that point is in the middle 70s. So while it may not be extremely warm, it still will be warmer than normal with high temperatures close to 80. Right now it looks dry. We're still 2 weeks away, so we'll fine tune the forecast, but there are at least some signals that the end of the month will be on the drier than normal side compared to what we're experiencing over the next 7 days. Another chance of rain next Thursday and Friday. Thanks for joining us on WFAA Plus. Have a good weekend.